Hey car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today we are diving into one of the most iconic names in the automotive world, the Volkswagen Beetle, reimagined for 2026. The Beetle has always been more than just a car. It has been a cultural phenomenon, a symbol of simplicity, and a design that resonated across generations. Now, with the 2026 version, Volkswagen has taken that timeless charm and merged it with modern technology, performance, and innovation to deliver something truly spectacular. The Volkswagen Beetle 2026 brings back the legendary silhouette that everyone recognizes, but with sharper lines, futuristic details, and a refined body shape that makes it look both retro and modern at the same time. Volkswagen has clearly focused on keeping the heritage alive while ensuring the car feels like it belongs in the future. The circular headlights have been redesigned with advanced LED technology, keeping the soul of the Beetle intact but giving it a modern identity. The car sits on a stronger and more aerodynamic chassis, making it not just stylish but also efficient on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Beetle is offered with multiple powertrain options. The highlight is its fully electric version, developed under Volkswagen's ID series. With a powerful battery setup, the Beetle EV can deliver impressive range and quick acceleration, redefining what a Beetle can do. For those who still love the thrill of a traditional engine, there are hybrid and turbocharged petrol variants available, giving enthusiasts choices that fit their driving style. The balance of performance and efficiency is one of the strongest aspects of this new model. Step inside, and you will be greeted by an interior that feels premium, futuristic, and highly practical. Volkswagen has integrated a large infotainment display with advanced connectivity, seamless smartphone integration, and AI-powered driving assistance features. The cabin is designed with high-quality sustainable materials, reflecting Volkswagen's commitment to eco-friendly innovation. The seating is comfortable yet sporty, and the space utilization ensures that this compact car does not feel cramped. Safety is another area where the Beetle 2026 excels. Packed with advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, it ensures peace of mind while driving. Volkswagen has made sure that while you enjoy the heritage and fun driving nature of the Beetle, you are also protected by the latest automotive safety technology. Driving the 2026 Beetle is an experience that blends nostalgia with excitement. The handling feels sharp, the acceleration is lively, and the car remains fun and engaging just as the Beetle has always been. Whether it's city commutes or highway drives, the Beetle brings a sense of personality that few cars can replicate. What makes this car stand out is the way Volkswagen has honored the past while embracing the future. The 2026 Beetle is not just about bringing back a legend, it is about proving that iconic cars can evolve with time while still holding onto their essence. For car lovers who admire design, performance, and heritage, this car ticks every box. The Volkswagen Beetle 2026 is a bold statement by Volkswagen that classics never truly fade, they just come back stronger, smarter, and more refined. This is more than just a car, it's a legacy redefined for the modern era.